Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by grounding yourself and removing the GPU from the case. This prevents ESD damage. Measure the PCB length, backplate mounting holes, and clearance to PCIe power connectors in millimeters. Choose material, 2 mm aluminum for rigidity or 3 mm acrylic for aesthetics, and pick thermal pads if you plan to contact components. Once measured, transfer hole positions onto the chosen material and mark cut lines. Make sure to note screw types and spacers, so the first cuts match mounting geometry exactly. You now cut and shape the plate using a jigsaw or Dremel. Clamp the piece securely to avoid vibration. Drill holes at your marked positions, checking diameters against the screws, and add countersinks if screws need to sit flush. Once holes are done, deburr all edges with a file and sandpaper to prevent scratches and short circuits. Test fit the plate on the GPU without thermal pads to confirm alignment. If holes misalign, enlarge incrementally. Never force screws, as that can crack pads or warp the plate. You finish by cleaning the plate and applying thermal pads to contact points, matching pad thickness to component height, 0, 5 to 1. 5 mm is common. Reinstall the backplate using the appropriate spacers and tighten screws in a crisscross pattern to an even snugness. Do not over-tighten. Once installed, verify no bare metal touches exposed PCB traces and confirm cooler or fan clearance. If the card fails boot or shows artifacts, check for short circuits under the plate and remove to isolate any misaligned pad or screw causing contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.